Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be solving a proportion. This is when we have a fraction equal a fraction. So most people will call this the cross multiply method. I also like to call it the butterfly effect, and you're going to see why in just a second when we create a cute little butterfly. So a fraction equals a fraction. We're going to create first half of our butterfly with 2 times x minus 6. But remember, we're putting that in parentheses because it is 2 terms. And then we're going to do the other half of our butterfly, 6 times x minus 3, again in parentheses because 2 terms. And then there you have it, our butterfly. We're going to distribute from here, so we get 2x minus 12, and distribute the 6 on the other side, so we get 6x minus 18. From here, we're going to use our inverse operations to solve for x. We're going to combine our like terms. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. We are left with negative 12 equals 4x minus 18. We're going to add our 18 to both sides, and we are left with 6 equals 4x. Last step here is we're going to divide by 4 on both sides, and to get x by itself, simplify your fraction. So we get 3 over 2 equals x, or 3/2 x. If you really hate fractions, we can always write this as a decimal, and that decimal would be 1.5 equals x. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.